Good morning, student. Last session we have discussed about there are different order of reaction, first order, second order and fractional order reaction, zero order reaction. Today class have discussed about unit of rate constant. The rate constant symbol is K. Let us consider a reaction A moles of A and B moles of B gives rise to C moles of C and D moles of D. In this equation, small a, small b, small c, small d are the stoichiometric coefficient of the reactant and product. Capital A and capital B, capital C and capital D are the concentration of reactant and product. Okay. Let rate of reaction as directly proportional to the concentration of reaction. Rate of reaction ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೇನು, ನಾವು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೆಂಟನ್ನು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ with respect to time. It is known as rate of reactions. When rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of reactant. Rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of reactant. A is concentration of reactant and B also concentration of reactant. Rate of reaction are directly proportional to the concentration of A and concentration of B. Rate of reaction, rate is equal to K into concentration of A and concentration of B respect to X and Y. K is the rate constant, X and Y may or may not be equal to stoichiometric coefficient. Last class I have discussed about MNOP. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, K is in rate constant, X it is the exponential of concentration A, Y is the exponential of concentration B. Rate of reactions is equal to rate constant into concentration to the power X and B concentration to the power Y. K is rate constant, X and Y may or may not be equal to stoichiometric coefficient of reactant. Now discussion ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು, it is unit of rate constant, X plus Y. X plus Y is equal to N. It is an order of reaction. N is the order of reaction. Last class I have discussed about order of reaction. X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 0. The order is first order. With respect to X, X is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. It is known as zero order reaction. Last class I have discussed about different order of reaction. X plus Y is equal to N. In rate law equation, it is known as order of reactions. Rate is equal to K into either concentration B, either concentration A. Concentration, what do you mean by X plus Y? N is the order of reaction. Rate is equal to K into concentration to the power N. What is K? K is rate constant. K is equal to rate into 1 by concentration to the power N. K is equal to rate into 1 by concentration to the power N. What do you mean by N? N is an order of reactions. What do you mean by rate of reaction? Rate of reaction, change in concentration with respect to time. That means K is equal to change in concentration with respect to time. Time into 1 by concentration, 1 by concentration to the power N. N is the order of reaction. K is equal to, what is the unit of concentration? Concentration unit ಏನು? ನಾವು ರೇಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮೊಲಾರಿಟಿ, ನಾರ್ಮಲಿಟಿ, ಮೊಲಾಲಿಟಿ. ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಜನರಲಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ mole liter inverse. What is the SI unit of time? Second denoted by S divided by 1 by mole liter inverse to the power n. K is equal to rate constant. K is equal to mole liter inverse by second into divided by mole liter inverse to the power n. N is the order of reaction. It is the general equation for identify the SI unit for all order of reactions. The first is zero order reactions. In zero order reaction, the n becomes order of reaction, n is equal to 0. What is the SI unit for zero order reaction? K is equal to, what is the rate unit of rate constant for zero order reaction? K is equal to, see the equation, K is equal to mole liter inverse by second into 1 divided by mole liter inverse. What do you mean by n? N is the order of reaction is 0. N is equal to 0. Any quantity raised to the power 0, the value is 1. This mole liter inverse to the power 0, the value is 1. It means 1 by 1 is equal to 1. The unit of rate constant for zero order reaction is mole liter inverse. S go to the numerator, it is second inverse. Next, for first order reaction, the first order reaction n is equal to 1. The order of reaction n is equal to 1. See the equation, K is equal to mole liter inverse by second into 1 by mole liter inverse to the power 1. N is equal to 1. This is the first order reaction. Mole liter inverse, mole liter inverse. That is any quantity to the power 1. It is the mole liter inverse. Mole liter inverse ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಇದೆ, mole liter inverse ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇದೆ. Okay, it is mole liter inverse cancel, mole liter inverse cancel. The remaining is second comes to the numerator. The unit is second inverse. This is the SI unit for rate constant for first order reaction. Next go to the second order reaction. For second order reaction, n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. K is equal to mole liter inverse by second into mole liter inverse. What is the n value? 2. For second order reactions, 1 mole liter inverse and 1 mole liter inverse cancel. The remaining in denominator second mole liter inverse. Second and mole liter inverse denominator ಇದೆ. Is comes into the numerator. Numerator ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Mole inverse liter second inverse. It is the SI unit for rate constant for second order reactions. There are 3 SI units for zero order, first order and second order. It is very important. Next, identify the reaction order from each of the following rate constant. In this problem, we give rate constant value and unit. Then second also rate constant value and unit. Based on this unit, we identify the order of reactions. ಈ ಥರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಎನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಟೈಪಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರೇಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ SI ಯೂನಿಟನ್ನು ಬರೆದು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ದ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1, K is equal to 2.3 into 10 to the power of minus 5 liter mole inverse second inverse. What is the order of reaction? 0 order ಗೆ mole, liter inverse, second inverse ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಗೆ ಲೀಟರ್ ಮೋಲ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಲೀಟರ್ ಮೋಲ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ 5 minutes. 5 minutes ಕೆಳಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್? ಲೀಟರ್ mole inverse second inverse. This SI unit is indicate that second order reaction. Then this second order reaction. Iಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 1 marks. Next, rate constant value 3 into 10 to the power of minus 4 second inverse. Second inverse is indicate that first order reactions. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, second inverse is indicate that first order reaction. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, 0 ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಗೋ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲಾರಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. Let us take a simple reactions. PCl5 gives rise to PCl3 plus Cl2. C plus O2 gives rise to CO2. It is also one of the chemical reactions. Any chemical reactions, it can depend upon the rate of concentration of the reactant. It is one of the chemical reaction. It is also one of the chemical reactions. Let us observe. Both the chemical reactions are takes place in single step. It is known as elementary reactions. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ನು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸಮ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ SN1 ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. It is known as complex reaction. In complex reaction, any one step of reactions are known as elementary reactions. Elementary reactions are takes place only one step. Complex reaction takes place more than one step. It is known as complex reactions. What do you mean by molecularity of reactions? Molecularity means the number of reacting species. The number of reacting species like ion, atom or molecule take part in the elementary reaction simultaneously collide as a molecularity of a reactions. Let us observe how many molecules in the reacting species. Only one molecules ಇದೆ. Take a beaker, only one molecules of PCl5. Next, second reaction, carbon 1 atom, then oxygen 1 molecule. In reacting species ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 molecules ಇದೆ. It is known as carbon atom or oxygen molecule. 1 molecules ಇದೆ. Number of reacting species ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ then it is known as molecularity of a reaction. ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೊಲೈಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಫೈನಲ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲಾರಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್, ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಆಟಮ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ the molecularity of reactions are classified into different types. The first one, unimolecular reaction, bimolecular reaction. Third one, intermolecular reaction. The first one, unimolecular reactions. What do you mean by uni? It is 1. NH4NO2 to the formation of N2 plus 2H2O. How many molecules in the reacting species? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 1 ಅಂತ. It is 1 ಇದೆ. It is known as unimolecular reactions. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು write the molecularity of this reaction. Molecularity is 1. Okay. Next, PCl5 gives rise to PCl3 plus Cl2. How many molecules in the reacting species? PCl5, only one molecule. It is also an example for unimolecular reaction. Only one molecules are present in the elementary reaction in reacting species. Next, go to the bimolecular reaction. In bimolecular reactions, there are two reacting species, ion, atom or molecule are present in the elementary reactions are simultaneously collide to bring about a reactions. ಎಷ್ಟು molecules ಇರಬೇಕು? 2 molecules ಇರಬೇಕು. What are the examples? 2NH3 gives rise to N2 plus 3H2 in platinum catalyst. How many molecules is there? 2. It is an bimolecular reaction. NH3, NH3. 2 moles ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 2 moles of NH3. ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲಾರಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? 2. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಿಮಗೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು 2 moles of NH3 gives rise to N2 plus 3H2 in the presence of platinum catalyst heating takes place. ಈ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು write the order and molecularity of the reactions. What is the order of reaction? Order of reaction is 0. Molecularity 2. Next, 2HI in the presence of gold catalyst to the formation of H2 plus I2. What is the molecularity of reaction? Molecularity is 2. Next, C plus O2 gives rise to CO2. This also example for bimolecular reaction. These are the examples of bimolecular reaction. Next go for the termolecular reactions. In these reactions, how many reacting species in the reactant? Let us take 2CO plus O2 gives rise to 2CO2. Reactant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು molecules ಇದೆ? 2CO, 2 moles of CO, here 2 moles of CO and 1 moles of O2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. The number of reacting species is 3. It is known as termolecular reactions. Another example is 2SO plus O2 gives rise to 2SO2. This also one of the example for termolecular or trimolecular reaction. Tri means 2SO plus 1O2, 3 ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಟ್ರೈ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಐದರ್ termolecular reaction or trimolecular reaction. These are the examples of trimolecular reactions. It is the molecularity of reactions. ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಿಮಗೆ 1 to 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Look at the reaction KClO3 plus 6FeSO4 in the presence of acidic media. 3 moles of H2SO4 gives rise to KCl plus 3Fe2SO4 thrice plus 3H2O. In these reactions, to identify the order of this reaction, and it is very difficult to identify the molecularity of a reaction. ಈ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? 6 plus 3 plus 1 it is a 10. ಆರ್ಡರ್ is 10 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. But it's not correct. Then molecularity. In these reactions also, molecularity is very difficult. Identify the molecularity of a reaction, it is very difficult. There are two types of reaction. I already discussed it. Elementary reaction and complex reactions. In complex reaction, the chemical reaction take one more step. It is known as complex reactions. ಈ ಥರ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ how can determine the order and molecularity of a reactions? The order of a chemical reaction, the order of any chemical reaction, it can be determined by in the chemical reaction slowest step. The order of a chemical reaction, it can be determined in the slowest step. Slowest step ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲಾರಿಟಿನ ನಾವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ 4HBr plus O2 to the formation of 2Br2 plus 2H2O. This chemical reaction takes place so many steps. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4. 4 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. The first step of the reaction, HBr plus O2 to the formation of HOOBr. In this reaction, this step is known as slowest step. ಈ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ this is the slowest step. The rate of chemical reaction is determined in this step. That is known as rate determined step. ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ನ ಯಾವುದು ಸ್ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪನ್ನು ರೇಟ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಎನಿ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ರೇಟನ್ನು ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸ್ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 3 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 3 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. This is an elementary reaction. This is an elementary reaction. This also elementary reaction. Overall, all the step 4 of the reaction is complex reactions. Okay. In a complex reaction, any one step of the reaction is known as elementary reactions. To identify the order of reactions. ಈ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ 1HBr is react with 1O2. The order of reaction is 2. It is known as order of reaction is 2. ಈ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ is 2. It is calculated in which step? Slowest step. ಆರ್ಡರ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? ಸ್ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. The order of this reaction is 2. The molecularity of this reaction in step 1 is 2. Molecularity is 2 in step 1. Order is 2 in step 1. It is known as rate determined step. Overall reaction is controlled by slowest step. It is known as rate determined step. To write the overall reaction of these reactions. These reactions are takes place in several steps. Overall reaction ಬರೆಯೋಣ ಈ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ. See that HOOBr cancel. HOBr, 1 HOBr, 1 HOBr and 2 HOBr. This also cancel. 1 HBr, 1 HBr, 1 HBr, 1 HBr. It is known as 4 HBr hydrogen bromide plus O2 gives H2 Br2 Br2. 2Br2 plus 2H2O. It is the overall chemical reaction. This is the overall chemical reaction. The overall chemical reactions is controlled by rate determined step. It is known as slowest step. Next, go to the difference between order of reaction and molecularity of reaction. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಗೂ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲಾರಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಗೂ ಏನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲಾರಿಟಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲಾರಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲಾರಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಆರ್ಡರ್, ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲಾರಿಟಿ. ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ difference between the order and molecularity of the reaction. First order, then molecularity. The first point is, it is the sum of the power of the molar concentration of the all the reactant in the rate law equations. ನೀವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ರೇಟ್ ಲಾ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್, ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ rate law equation. Molecularity, it is the number of atoms, number of reacting species, atom, ions or molecules take part in the chemical reaction simultaneously collision takes place to bring about the molecularity of a reaction. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಆಟಮ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲಾರಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೈಮಲ್ಟೇನಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲಾರಿಟಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್, ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರಿಮೆಂಟಲಿ. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನ್ ಇಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, already discussed about in the last sessions. It can be determined experimentally only. It can be determined experiment only and cannot be calculated. Next, molecularity. It can be calculated by simply adding the molecule of the slowest step. Slowest step ಅಲ್ಲಿ how many molecules or how many atom or how many ions is present, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಯಾನ್ಸು ಆಟಮ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲಾರಿಟಿನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಝೀರೋ. ನಾವು ಓದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್, ಝೀರೋ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್, first order reaction, second order reaction. It is an whole number. Order of a reaction is a whole number. Sometimes fractional order is there. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಲ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರು ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಆರ್ ಝೀರೋ ಆರ್ಡರು ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲಾರಿಟಿ. ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲಾರಿಟಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾವು ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲಾರಿಟಿ ಝೀರೋ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲಾರಿಟಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಇಟ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಝೀರೋ. It cannot be zero or fractions. Molecularity, it is always whole number. It cannot be zero or fraction. It is the main difference between order and molecularity of the reactions. Okay, it is the main difference between order and molecularity of the reactions.